Today I will be playing Duck Life 5, the newest one. So, let's get started today. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. You gotta be careful for those little dragon things. Whoa. Oh no. I missed some coins. Ooh, fly for 60 seconds. I didn't know that was an achievement. Oops, sorry, duck. Oh no, I knocked him out. Uh-oh, the chest is gonna be a little hard to get while I'm in the little King Kong form. Oh. No, I didn't get it. Come on, Ducky, you can do it. Come on. Why you look mad? Why do you look mad? Oh, okay, there goes that run. Ooh. Ballard. And retry. Oh no. It told me to press space. Oh, knock the duck out. Oh. Oh no, I knocked another duck out. Wait, no I didn't. Wait. Oh, no, those are dragons. Ah! Oh, I'm sorry, Ducky. Oh no, why does it jump so high? It's like off the screen. I didn't know you could go down like that. Whoa. Oh, there goes that run. Okay. Let's go back to the town. Let's look at my pet. I have this bat. Here's my pet. Heat-seeking shot fires a heat-seeking shot that seeks enemies, also ducks. I'm gonna train him to be a level 4. Yay, faster cooldown. I want to see what a few of these other ones do. Where's my mouse? Oh crap. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Apple cider knocks out all enemies on screen. Cool. But I don't have that much money. I'm gonna exit. Okay, goodbye.